today we will be testing the volume risk avoidance indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volume risk avoidance indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 722 indicators, with 290 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. All right, so today's indicator is the volume risk avoidance indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so I am going to make one slight modification to this. So I'm going to change it from histogram to columns, and it makes it look quite different now. But really what we're looking for are these bars here. And in the histogram form, they are relatively small and skinny and hard to see at some points. And so basically what we have is a zero line indicator, and we have this these bars or the histogram pivoting around that zero line, going to the top side, to the bottom side, as you can see. And the setup on this, as you can probably tell, is going to be when we get the color of the bars to the upside or the downside. And so when we get green bars to the upside, then we are going to go long. When we get the red bars to the downside, then we are going to go short. So as I said, pretty simple setup here. We've seen it many times before. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see here that we get a red bar right here on this one, and then we get a nice push to the downside right there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. Then looks like we pick up a long signal right there. We pick up a nice green bar, and we get a nice push to the upside on that one as well. That one also gets us to our take profit. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long right here. We get a little bit of a push to the upside there, but it isn't quite enough to get us up to our take profit. Got relatively close, but like I said, just not quite enough to get us there. And then we flip to a short right here on this one, and that pretty much goes right into sideways price action before it spikes to the upside right there on that candle. And so that one then flips to a long. That stops us out on that short there. But then this long here does make a nice move to the upside there, which does get us to our take profit on that one. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here on this one, and immediately we start to push back to the upside, and then we flip to a long right here on this one, stopping us out on that short. We then get a relatively nice push to the upside right here on this long. Looks like we come up, we get close to our take profit there. We then get a slight pullback and then another push right here, which that one does hit our take profit on that push there. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Ooh, a lot of trades within the 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So 51 trades within the 1 year's time. Like I said, that is a lot of trades. Let's go ahead and count out our winners and see what we have there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. 24 winning trades. So that puts us right around the 50% marker, which is not going to meet that 60% marker that we're looking for. This indicator was just, just kind of an over trading indicator. At times it did rather well, And then other times it was just giving signals too quick. And so at every little kind of move, it was throwing signals one way or another. And then it was a zero line cross, which means that it would throw a signal in one direction and then almost immediately, back in the other direction, then almost immediately back in the other direction, and get that pinball effect that we talk about so much here on the channel, just kind of bouncing you back and forth. That is kind of the downfall of indicators that kind of pivot around a one single point and don't give any kind of buffer or any kind of room for price action to kind of figure out what way it's actually going as it bounces back and forth in those consolidation areas and stuff like that. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.